What for our audience is a roboticist?
So I like to start out, it's kind of the idea of like, what is a robot? You ask 10 people and you probably get 11 different answers. We kind of start out with the idea of embodied intelligence. The idea is that you have these smart machines that go through the world. We break up our grad program and kind of the foundations for robotics into these three kind of pillars. So sensing, reasoning, and acting. Sensing is the idea of that something can go out there, perceive the world around it, dealing with computer vision, LiDARs, radars, cameras, the reasoning, the planning, that AI machine learning, figuring out what you're going to do once you kind of assessed your scene and how you're going to do it. And then the acting is going out and doing it. So the kinetics, the dynamics. So that's kind of like what we think of as a robot. And so like a roboticist is someone that kind of is an expert in one or two. And sometimes, in these rare cases, maybe three of these areas, but they at least understand how they all interact together. So they can go out and they can work on algorithms, they can work on the software, they can work on the hardware. And so that's when we think of like, well, what a roboticist is, there's really a lot of different definitions, because you could be really strong in programming or really strong in building. And, we look at you and say, yeah, you're one of us, you're a roboticist. And that's I think the key is kind of the passion for working with these embodied intelligence smart machines.